Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. This video is mainly for quick tutorial for Graphpad Prism. So here I'm gonna show you that how to draw different kind of graph very easily and in shortcut method. So let's begin. So first I already opened that Graphpad Prism software. So from here you have to go from file. So under this option you will get new and then new project file. So first I'm gonna show you that XY graph how to make. So you will get this kind of interface. So here from the left side just click this one, and then under X just keep all the same as it is, and the Y just check this one and enter 3, minimum 3. If you have more than 3, that's okay, no problem. So we can select more than 3, but minimum 3 required for the standard deviation and error bar. So create. So then you get this kind of interface. So here you can rename it what you want. Control, this is A, this is P. So what I want to do, I want to copy one. I'm going to copy from here. This data I want to copy from here, and then it's okay. So here in this option is for the data, and this option is for the output graph. So if you click this one, and then you can find the different type of the graph. So which one you like, so you can go for that. So I think this is better, so let's go for this one. So you see here this graph already made, so you can write here what you want. You can rename it control versus X, right? And so you see the standard deviation that already made here. And so if you would like to export your data, so just export from here, and then from here you can click this one, TIF file, and then white, and then resolution you can put it maximum, and then browse, just select your output folder and then save it. Alright, so this is the XY graph, and then next is the column graph, new project file. So here column, so just keep as it is same, no problem. So create. So this kind of interface. So let me write something here, control A and P, and put some arrows 23, 21, 24. So here 37, 39, 51, 43, 42, 59. Okay, and then you can see here and there also there are different options, box and violin, and different type of the graph you can get from here. So you can go what you want. So I'll go mean and median, and individual value also will get this kind of graph. So this is also in the individual values. So mean and median, so I would like to go for this one. So okay, see here this is control A and B. So you can write here, so maybe the concentration, and this is X. So the title SD, standard deviation, error bar is already shown. So from here if you would like to analyze and if you would like to get the p value, so from here you have to get the analyze and then t-test, and here you see all of the option. So just compare this at the one time, just two. You would like to compare the with the control the A. So A I would like to compare with the control. Then okay. So this is the unpaired t-test, and then okay. So we'll get the result. So here is the p-value. So p-value is 0.01, and p-value summary, that is a 1 star, that is means that it's significant. So you can write down your graph that is significant and the star value. So this is the column B, column A. So A and control. All right. So again, if you would like to go for the another one, then you can go for then control and then B, and then okay. So here also this is also significant, only 1 star here. All right. So here is the unpaired t-test, and this is the result. So if you click here, you will get the result, data 1 and data 2 result. So next is how to get the group graph. So new project file, and then from here you can choose group. So here enter, and then 3 values required for the minimum for the standard deviation. So here the same control A and B. So I can copy the graph, copy the data from here. Let me copy it. Right. Yeah. So first, yeah. So already almost done. So here you see this is the graph already made here, and also there are different kind of graph, so you can choose from there out of that kind of graph. So it's already made. So this is one type of the group graph. So if you would like to add more data, then you can see the shape of the graph would be changed, the type. So 20, maybe you can add a little more, 34, 35, 21, 37, 38, 30, 37, 35, 56. All right. So you see here that the type of the graph is already changed. So this is one group and this is one group. And then you would like to, if you would like to change the color, so you can change it from here. You can double click here and then fill. You just select, and then the border point, which point, just if you'd like wide and then thinner, so you can choose from here, and then okay. Alright, so it's changed. So this is all about this tutorial. So I hope this video will be helpful. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please, if you have any queries, kindly write in the comment sections, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks.